Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location and where you are watching me from. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Uh, I want to try out Defi.ai, Defi/AI, if the withdrawal is really working. So that is what I want to try out now. As you can see, this is my balance on Trust Wallet. So let's check if the platform is working, and I don't know how fast they are depositing the money after withdrawal. So let's go to the platform and try out. Yeah, thank you. I have I've added my I have added my wallet already. So what you have to do is to click on this withdrawal here. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. They enter the amount that you want to withdraw. The amount you want to withdraw. Okay, then enter your password, your withdrawal password. Okay, I'll enter it right now. I've entered my withdrawal password. So what you have to do right now is to click on this submit. But before then, I will be dropping link on the description for anybody that wants to sign up. But I'm not your financial advisor. Before you sign up, please make sure you do a very good research, because none of these platforms are being trusted again. Many of them are fake. So before you sign up, make research. And also, if you want to invest little, what you can afford to lose. So that is it. So let's click on submit right now. As you can see, the handling fee is 0.3%. So it will be deducted in each withdrawal. So let's click on submit. So as you can see, please complete payment. Payment completed. As you can see, I'm now having 00 balance. 0.00 balance. So let's see if the money has been deposited. I'm having 398 already. So let's see if it will be deposited within the next five minutes. I don't know how long it's going to take them to finish processing the withdrawal. So I will wait to see. I don't want to close the video. I have to wait. I don't want to close it. It is still pending. It is pending. So let's wait to see how long it's going to take them to complete the withdrawal. So this platform looks like it looks as almost the same thing with what is it called? The last platform that got that had problem, that crashed. So that is why I'm telling everybody, if you are investing on any platform, you should please invest little amount. Invest little, very little amount. I'm still refreshing to see when the money will be sent. It's still pending right now. But before, while we are waiting, this is their home page. This is their home page. The home page of Defi-ai .online. This is their home page. So as we are waiting, let's be freestyling right here. Let's be freestyling. It is a brand new platform. We don't know how far. We don't know what will happen next. It's a brand new platform. It's still pending. It's still under review. So I have to wait till the withdrawal is completed. I don't want to end the video and put it back. So I want to stay here to see when the withdrawal will be done. So This is their percentage for referral. Their percentage for referral. This is their percentage. This is their customer service. Their customer service. Let me chat them to see if they are replying. So, as you can see, there's a customized message right here. Hello, I am the customer service of Defi-ai. Defi-ai platform. Can I help you? So, while we wait, I want to know if they will reply. I know so many people are in the platform already because I've been seeing it online everywhere on YouTube. So many people have registered on this platform already. People are not people are no more scared. People are not scared like before. So as for me, I'm a little bit scared though because I cannot afford to deposit something huge for now until I know what's up. So let me go back to see if it's still pending. Okay, it has been delivered. They wrote success. So let me go back to my Trust wallet and check if I've gotten the money. So as you can see, it's successful now. So I go to my Trust wallet to see. Okay, it has entered as you can see from 398 to 408. It's really working for now. So there is a link on the description in case if you want to register. Please do your research if you want to register. Let me go back to customer care to see if they have replied. If they haven't replied, I will just close this thing because I don't want to be wasting much of your time. Don't want to waste much of your time. Okay, they haven't replied me. Okay, they have replied already. As you can see, they said, hello, I am the platform customer service. What can I help you with? So let me say I want to know more about this platform. I want to know more about this platform, but I don't need to continue wasting time since they replied within the range of 2 minutes. So I need to end it now. I don't have much question to ask them so that I will not be wasting your time. So you can see it's almost 9 minutes already. So I don't need to waste much of your time. So thank you for visiting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please do return. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye bye. Okay. As I'm about to end this thing, I got a reply. AI is wow. I will read them out right now. AI digital currency robot custody service. It's much. I cannot continue to read all these things. I will just screenshot it and I'll post it up on the Telegram group. So if you want to read it, join the Telegram group. There is link on the description. Then I will post this screenshot there for the people that want to read it. So I've taken the screenshot. So I will post it on my Telegram group in case if anybody wants to read this so that they can read it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for visiting. Thank you very much for subscribing. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye.